So in this question, you're given a set A intersection B complement whole complement union B intersection C. So this whole set is equivalent to which of these? These type of questions can be very easily done using Venn diagrams. So first let us draw the Venn diagram corresponding to this expression. So A intersection B complement whole complement. So we need three sets now: A, B and C. So first let us see what A intersection B complement is. A is the set A is the set A, and B complement is everything except B. So let us draw B complement using vertical lines. So B complement is everything except B. So this is this vertical lines, the region shaded by these vertical lines represent B complement. A intersection B complement is the intersection of A and B complement. That is the common region corresponding to horizontal lines as well as vertical lines. So that is nothing but the checked region. So you can very clearly see the checked region here. So the checked region corresponds to A intersection B complement. Now I want A intersection B complement whole complement. That is everything except this checked region. Everything except this checked region. So A intersection B complement whole complement. Try to plot it in this Venn diagram. This is A, this is B, this is C. So you can see the checked region here. The checked region is this region. So the checked region is this region. Everything except this region is A intersection B complement whole complement. So A intersection B complement whole complement is I hope you are understanding what I am drawing. So all the region except the whole region except this checked region is A intersection B complement whole complement. Now I need to union this with B intersection C. So what is B intersection C? B intersection C is nothing but this region. So this region is already included in the original region, so you don't get any extra region. So B intersection C is this region. So this union this is the complete shaded region. So this corresponds to this region. So now what is this equivalent to? So is this equivalent to A union B union C? Obviously no, because A union B union C is all the region corresponding to ABC. And second, A complement union B. So does this work? So let us try to draw the Venn diagram corresponding to this also. So let me draw a small Venn diagram. A, B and C. A, B and C. A complement is everything except A. Everything except A. This is A complement. Union B. That is you add B to this. So B is this region. So what is the union of these two? The whole shaded region. So as you can see, this whole shaded region looks exactly same as this. This whole shaded region looks exactly same as this. So this region is excluded. Here also the same region is excluded. Hence, this is exactly same as this region. So the answer is option B.